Why do you love this day, Todd?
It's just so much excitement to spread all this neat, fun things we find out all the time. And it's like I have to learn. I have to learn new stuff. I can't just sit around and do nothing because there's always something new happening.
Where you're going to learn all about these various products. Clearly, I don't have enough, and I did just stop by BioSpirit Day Spa, who just happens to be our guest on today's show, talking about what the new spa experience looks like. And let's see, I've got some 50 SPF facial cream, because obviously we're all in the sun a lot more, so we need a little more extra SPF. We've got some balancing facial cleanser.
Ooh.
And some hydrating repair cream, vitamin C, because I do have a little bit of spot correcting from, again, all of that sun.
I probably need about, I don't know, a whole vat of that stuff. Because my face kind of just keeps on going. I don't know if you've noticed that. It's huge. But
yeah, but you wish your face is going this way. It's going this way.
I know. That's all right. Now, do we have a watch and win today for this one? Because this is pretty cool.
Yes. So obviously BioSpirit Day Spa is our guest for today. So they have a new at-home facial kit that they will be giving away to one lucky viewer. Now you'll have to watch the show to see what's actually in that facial kit. So to actually enter the watch to win, comment with what your favorite product is, what you're most excited for, and then you'll be entered to win, and we'll pick a winner by end of day on Friday.
All right, and we'll have more details at the end of the show in case you missed that. Don't rewind, just watch the show, and then you can find out what's going on. So let's bring on our first guest, or our guest, I should say, Teresa from BioSpirit Day Spa. And I'm interested about this because I think, I'm curious to find out how this experience goes. Teresa, you're going to have to unmute yourself.
But there we go. How's that?
That is awesome.
Thank you.
So, Teresa, let's just get right into it, right? Spas are open. People can take care of themselves, but people might be wondering, how has this changed? Can you maybe go over like what the process is like when someone does want to have a spa day?
Absolutely. So what is the same, what hasn't changed is that we still do magic. We have the best spa, the best crew, and just people are so passionate about what they do and how they care for others. So what has changed a bit is that we just need to cut back on the amount of humans that walk through the spa. So what we're having people do is when they arrive on property is to look at our beautiful whiteboard outside, give us a call, let us know when they're here. And when they do come in, they'll use a little hand sanitizer, get their temperature checked, and then there will be less people walking around, so their therapist will come and pick them up at the precise moment that their service is.
And I can actually attest to that experience because I was fortunate enough after you guys opened your doors to come in and enjoy a service. And with what you guys have set in place in terms of your process, it's seamless, right? You walk through the door, you have a little tape, I have to have my mask on, you have a little table with hand sanitizer. The reservationist has a plexiglass in front of her. She's already aware of the reservation. And then my therapist, she just came right through. Taya, shout out to you. You're amazing. And then just escorted me right in. So what you guys have done has been really great.
Thank you. We really love what we do. We love taking care of others, and we couldn't get back to doing what we do. However, we wanted it to be safe for our staff, safe for all of our clients, and for everyone to have a good experience and feel really confident in what we're doing. So when our staff arrives every day, same thing, same as our clients, they use a hand sanitizer, they take their temperature and make sure they're good to go so that we can take care of others.
Perfect.
Now, you were saying earlier that, like when you guys shut down, some of your staff might have left town, they came back. They actually went and took COVID tests, all of them, and you yourself, just to make sure that everything's clear there.
Absolutely. So we were closed for almost 3 months and really missing everybody. So when our staff did go out of town, they came back, took a COVID test, and also quarantined for 2 weeks, and then were able to come back to work.
Oh, that's dedication. That is dedication to the client right there.
Absolutely. Yeah.
And no, I was really surprised, I guess, when I saw some of the face protection at your spa. I mean, it was amazing, and it made me feel really safe as a guest. And so I think you actually have that next to you in terms of some of.
So first, we have to wear our mask, and so does the client throughout the service. And it just ensures safety. It just ensures health and wellness, long term, right? We want to get through this. So we wear our mask, and then we wear these shields, right?
Right.
So that there's no way anything can go from us to you.
Yes.
I like it.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Now, your guys' rooms are quite spacious anyways, right? I mean, compared to some spas, they kind of like cram everybody in. But did you actually put in some extra filtering in each of the spa rooms, something like that? Because you're saying something about that too.
Absolutely. So our rooms are really spacious, and most times when people walk in, they're surprised at how large they are. All of our rooms have windows. So that's the first thing we do when we arrive, is that we open up all of our windows. We disinfect the room to start the day. We have HEPA filters in all of our rooms, and our couples room, which is a really large room, we have 2 HEPA filters. So one for each client, staff person. Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm ready to book my next service. So on that note, you've told us kind of what the reservation process looks like, what you guys have done to be able to keep everyone happy and healthy. What type of services do you provide, and where can people book?
Sure. So we are doing services. They're maxed out at about 2 hours just for everyone's safety. We're doing massages and body treatments. We do a lot of waxing. Our body treatments are full body scrubs, so you can get your whole body exfoliated, get all that old sunscreen, whatever, Tahoe love, get it off of you. Get into the shower and then come back in and get a massage. And then we also have, for dry skin, it's really fabulous. We do a shea butter wrap. So we put shea butter over your whole body, wrap you up like a burrito, and then do a really nice neck or a foot massage while you're wrapped up. And then, because we're also active, either while we're visiting or since we live here, we get this beauty all around us. We have a foot treatment called a foot fantasy, and you can add that onto a massage, and it is a full body scrub. It's a foot scrub, and then it's a warm gel with hot stones and reflexology, and just doing all that great work from the knee down, and then incorporate that into a massage as well, and you're ready to go, ready to hit the trail.
Todd, what do you think? Are you ready?
Well, I was kind of wondering if the foot fantasy was going to be around, because I've heard stories about that. My wife goes and gets that quite often, so I was wondering if you were still able to do that one. So, and I was also surprised at couples too. So that is really cool that you can do the couples massage as well. And I want to go 100%.
I'm using all of our credit from this, so you better go do that. I'm just using it all.
I know. I was also kind of wondering, when you have all this stuff kind of going on. Now, you were saying there are a couple things, like I know that, facials, not necessarily the typical facial, because we don't want people to take off their mask, but you do have a take-home facial kit, and we're going to be giving one away. Can you tell us what's in there and how that works?
Absolutely. So one of the things that's most important for regenerative skincare is exfoliation. So we have a really nice exfoliator in there, and that just gets all the dead cells off and starts the process, and use it on your face and your neck. And then we have a beautiful gel mask, and it's plump with Japanese botanicals, and you pop that baby on your face and you just veg out for about 10 minutes and just let it soak on in. And that just like plumps your skin right up, because it's so dry here, right, in Tahoe. So we're kind of dry, but that just goes on. You just take a little Zen moment and you're back in action.
Excellent. And then how do people buy that from you or order it, I guess?
Sure. So they can reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram. We on our website we have a little button, and you can make appointments online, but you can also buy products there. We do curbside, or people can just let us know they're coming, and we'll have their package ready for them, like we did with you, and it's in a
Mhm.
beautiful bag and ready to go.
Yes, you guys made it so easy. Super easy, very quick, efficient, fast, safe, healthy, and then
Thank you.
also restocked.
Well, I mean, you can obviously tell this working because I mean, Megan goes there quite often, and she's like 65. I'm 32, and I haven't been for a while, and you can tell the difference, right? Without a doubt.
Well,
Absolutely.
I will say, so my boyfriend, he's been really getting into my products as well because it is so dry. You know, it is, right? So the things that he uses actually, it's a balancing eye lift gel because under your eyes, again, all those fine lines and this is kind of one of those areas that are really exposed to the sun, especially if you're not wearing sunglasses. So it's really, really nice to use that. He also uses the intensive spot corrector. So from those sunspots on his head, because he
No,
shaves his head as well. So, I mean, it's not just for women, it's for men as well.
100%, 100%. And you know, I think the other great thing about this too is, I would love to hear. Now, Teresa, you're obviously closed for a few months. You know, so you had a definite before, after, right? So, what has the feedback been from people coming in now? After the lockdown, after the quarantine, they're finally able to go in and experience this, you know, self wellness aspect of stuff. You know, what kind of feedback are you getting from it?
All super positive. People are very appreciative that we are open, that we are here to take care of others. And some things have changed, but there were a lot of things that we were already doing that are the new protocols across the state. We've always been super careful about how clean things are because we have a lot of visitors, right, that come to Tahoe. So we were very aware of doorknobs and cross contamination, that sort of thing. But what people are really craving are the longer services. People
Yes.
really want to be in here longer just to kind of veg out and just take all of that back in, all the time that they weren't able to get taken care of.
That's so true. I believe I fell asleep on the service bed. I think you had to knock on the door and wake me up. But it was just a moment where it was so quiet and so calm. It was one of those moments where very rarely do you get that moment to yourself. And that was so refreshing and invigorating.
Well, that's one of the things that we really pride ourselves on is that sometimes people come in and they want to filter, they need to talk or they need to work some things out. We always give people the option to talk it out or just be quiet. You know, if you just want to be silent, we will be silent also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for joining us today, Teresa. And, you know, I think this really helped clear up a lot of ideas of what's going on in the spa world and what people can expect with that. Once again, contact information, where people should reach out. And I'm assuming you guys, because your capacity's down a little bit. Is this like a 2 or 3 day out that they should be booking it? I mean, it's probably not a same day type service right now.
That's right. 2 to 3 days out, especially if you want a couples massage, but definitely plan out your day, plan out your activities, and plan your massage for sure.
Okay. And
Yeah.
how should they do that? Emails, contact, Facebook, where? Let me know.
Yeah. So Facebook, you can message us. You can go onto our website, massagetahoe.com, and there's a little button says make an appointment online. You can do that. You can on there, our website says contact us. You can shoot us an email. You can call us. We're on Instagram.
The whole 9 yards. Awesome. Thank you so much, Teresa. You're always such a treat, both seeing you, via the screen as well, and obviously what you're doing to keep us all happy and healthy.
Absolutely. Thank you. My pleasure.
Thanks, Teresa.
Okay.
All right, Todd, you better hurry up because, again, I'm booking all the services. I'm getting all the products.
I know. I gotta get on to that right away. So, question for you, Megan. I mean, obviously, you've always been kind of appreciative of, your self wellness type thing. So I'm kind of wondering. I mean, how much of a shocker was it for you when you finally were able to go back and get some of these treatments? To how much you'd missed that, or
Right.
that aspect of it.
I think when we look at the last few months, right, from a mental standpoint, the ups and downs of being stressed, anxiety, and things like that. So to escape almost to a very quiet, wholesome, very nurturing environment, you can't get that anywhere else. And these individuals, the therapists that they have there and the consultants, they're experts, right? And that is their job, to pamper you and take care of you. So it felt really wonderful to be in someone else's hands and to just relax. Above and beyond that, from a product standpoint, I just was like, I don't know how to do any of this. I need help. So once they opened their doors again, it was really refreshing for me not to have to try to do it.
To be able to actually talk to someone, "Oh, I need some advice."
Yes, I need more lotions. I need more face wash. I need more. So yeah, that's why I have this, glowing face again.
I love it. I love it. Now, once again, we've got a watch and win going on, and how do people enter that?
Yes, so watch to win a new take-home facial kit from BioSpirit Day Spa, and just comment what your favorite product is within that kit in the comment section, and then a winner will be chosen by the end of the week on Friday. So it's really easy, and it'll be a really great.
Now,
great
I
prize.
suppose if you don't know exactly what's in the kit, you could probably just say, "I like the whole kit," right?
No, you have to say what you like. You name all 3 products that are in that kit. You need to watch this, right? Because we need to share that BioSpirit Day Spa is open and are doing really great things to keep everyone safe, healthy, and happy.
We love that. Once again, if you like the show, make sure you share it, comment, like, enter the watch and win. If you're looking to sponsor the show, we're looking for sponsors and guests. So reach out, Reno Tahoe at planmygetaway.com. Tagline, get virtual. Hope you enjoyed the show. Thank you for joining us, and hopefully you learned something about your next spa experience. BioSpirit Day Spa. Make sure you book a treatment now.
Enjoy.